Welcome back to Movies Recapped. I will show you a comedy, sci-fi film from 2001, titled Evolution. Spoilers ahead, watch out and take care. In the beginnings of the movie, we see some people blast a cave. After blasting a cave, a massive alien emerges. Soon after, some people applied shampoo to an alien, causing it to blow. Where did the alien comes from and how did he get there? Before a few days, a meteor was shown a few times recently, and is moving towards the Earth. The boy is shown preparing for his firefighting exam in a forest. Because his exam was the next day, the meteor lands exactly where expected to. The firefighter barely makes it out alive. The meteor creates a massive hole in the earth and descends 80 feet into a cave. The following day, two professors named Harry and Kane. They both comes to investigate the meteor. They arrives at the cave and goes to the meteor. They takes its sample. Meanwhile, they notice a liquid and also take sample of the liquid. Then they comes to his lab. While researching in his lab, Kane discovers there is an alien organism in the liquid. It means there are alien cells in it. They were growing with the passage of time. They can increases their strength in a short time. Then Kane tells to Harry about this. They became more complex organisms than before. When Harry sees this thing makes Kane surprised. According to Kane, this process of billion years was done in a few hours in this liquid called evaluation. This was a huge discovery for them. Soon after, we see that the firefighter have failed his exam. Now he was doing the job under a rich man. There he notices small insects were emerging from the earth. The firefighter becomes worried after seeing this, and leaves from there. A following day, Harry and Kane take their students for a survey to the meteor place. They notices alien mushrooms and moss around the meteor as they enter. They also notice many alien insects on the earth. These insects can't able to breathe in oxygen, because they are not used to breathing in oxygen. As Kane lifts up an alien insect, it dies. Here, let me tell you, the meaning of evolution is the changes that occur with passage of time or development are referred to as evolution, as it found in each living things for survival. This change happens on Earth in millions of years. The surprising thing is that change was happening in the aliens in a few hours. In a single day they multiplied them by a factor of 10, like this the number of alien insects was increased. There was a different environment around the meteor. Because the environment of the Earth was not suitable for aliens, as the insect was picked up from its atmosphere, it dies. They takes the insect in jar. They notices the insects were multiplying. They go to the lab with the jar. Harry asks Kane to tell this to the government. But Kane refuses him to, saying this is our discovery. The government will steal our discovery. We have to do more research and make all the reports and documents ready. The next day, Harry and Kane goes at the meteor place, so they will research there. Going there, they sees the area was now under the US Army and they have sealed the place. Later, Kane goes to the general. Kane was the former army researcher who was discovered here. Later he was terminated. Now because they have hacked Kane's computer, they discover this meteor from there, and they seal this space beneath them. A female doctor supporting them in all this, named Allison. Dr. Allison advises Kane and Harry not to conceal the most significant discovery. This is your mistake. Harry and Kane says this is our discovery and they want its credit. General says while refusing you no contact with this place, so stay away from here, and give all the samples back you took from here. They argues that's why Kane and Harry leave. When they go to the court for their rights, it was revealed when Kane was doing a job in the army research, he created a vaccine that causes numerous side effects in the soldiers. It was the reason behind his termination. That's why they lose this case. After going into the lab, they discover their samples and research have also been stolen. This was done by none other than the general. They becomes furious. They move to the army camp to bring their things back. They entered in changed getup. Soon later they goes to the meteor after wearing a UV suits. They wears the UV suits because they may cause problems in breathing among those aliens. When they reach there while escaping from there, they notices everything is changed in a short time. The place was looking like a forest. There were a lot of alien insects and animals roaming around. They were insects and have grown elder due to evolution. Dr. Allison recognized them while they are talking before they return their sample. She comes here to stop them. An alien mosquito enters Harry's body while biting his suit. The alien mosquito was moving in his whole body. Meanwhile, the doctors comes and takes out the mosquito from Harry's body. The alien mosquito dies when it comes out. It discovers Dr. Allison also doesn't know anything about the robbery of their lab. Dr. Allison and Kane were good friends before, so she doesn't make them arrest. Soon later we see the firefighter serves the drink in the party of rich man's house. The rich man goes to the ground to meet his friend. Suddenly, an alien alligator attacks him and kills him. The following day, Harry and Kane returns to collage. They meets the firefighter. He was waiting for them. He was holding something in his hand. It was the alien alligator and it has ended his owner. The firefighter tells them this. But the alien alligator was dead. According to the firefighter, this alien died in agony and he brought it here. Later we see a house and with many females in it. The insects also arrive there. A strange alien appears when the females open the door. It was looking very innocent. A lady moves her hand forward to it after seeing it. Suddenly the alien bites her hand, and as the alien was about to shoot by a lady, the alien also dies like others. Then Kane goes to Allison and says we have to end all of them, because they will be dangerous. But Allison tells him this is in our control, we can handle this. Meanwhile, Kane also discovers that an alien ended a lady after biting her. They go to the house of that lady for investigation. They sees an innocent alien died there. They also sees many dragon-like aliens outside that house. They were in large numbers, and they were all dead. Seeing all this, Harry says all the caves and mines are connected together. The meteor cave is also connected with them. That's why all the aliens are moving from different places. Now because they can't breathe in Earth atmosphere. They were not used to living in Earth environment, that's why they died after moving out of the cave. Suddenly, an alien dragon awakes and, after disgorging an egg, it dies. The same alien dragon comes out of the egg. This alien dragon was breathing in Earth atmosphere. Later, he flies and goes to a city mall. It spreads destruction and starts attacking on people. Harry and Kane also comes there. They kills the alien dragon by shooting it. This was spread in the news and media. All the reporters were asking for answers from the governor about all this. The governor also goes to the military base and asks to general how these alien monsters spread in whole world. Allison tells they are increasing speedily and spreading. Within 2 months the aliens will spreads in the whole world. Meanwhile Harry, Kane and the firefighter also arrives there. The general blames them, claiming they breached security, allowing aliens to infiltrate the city. The governor says I don't know anything, I just want solution. The general says aliens to be burned while doing a blast in all caves. Suddenly, the monkey-like aliens attack on them. An alien monkey also attacks on the governor but shoots by a firefighter. Governor gets scared seeing this and gives full supports to the general to burn them. The general says to leaves them. Dr. Allison also leaves with them. She also has taken their stolen samples and data. Kane was seeing the liquid in his lab. He wonders why it hasn't changed yet. Suddenly Harry throws a burning matchstick in liquid. The liquid increases from its size. Now Kane discovered their evolution. How and why they increasing in number speedily. Actually a thing is heat. He says when the meteor was in space there was not any heat. The alien DNA is activated as it enters the Earth due to the extreme level of the Earth. Their evolution begins at that point. This liquid was in the freezer, that's why it wasn't affected. It will also evolve if it is in a hot environment. They understand the heat will make those aliens stronger. Allison calls the general to tell him all this. The general ignores her call. Then Kane believes seeing the periodic table as carbon is poisonous to humans, like this selenium is poison for those aliens. 2 students tells Kane, there is selenium in shampoo. The firefighters hits an idea and arranges a fire truck. He fills the truck with shampoo. They moves to the truck. As they were about to pump the shampoo while entering the cave, the general before this place blast. As a result, things that shouldn't happen they happened. Because the giant aliens appears from there. It was also ready for evolution. But it before divides they have to stop it. They goes downside the giant alien with the fire truck. They stop the truck near the hole, while putting a ladder near the hole. Kane and Harry climb it. Now they pump the shampoo and giant alien. After some time, there was movement in giant alien. Allison immediately takes the truck far from the alien. The aliens blast badly. Meanwhile, the governor appreciates them in front of the media. He also calls them the hero. The firefighter was promoted to chief. During the demotion, the general was promoted to sergeant. And movie ends. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for watching more videos like this. Thanks for watching.